you want to know how to get your lashes like this, honey, if you're ready to fly away, you're gonna get some wings with this. I ain't tuck your Red Bull, okay? So stay tuned if you want to look like this, okay? Just stay, watch, okay? It's Brittany, bitch. Alright, y'all, so let's get this poppin', okay? As you can see, this is the side that I sleep on because I lost the most lashes there. I'm not Sleeping Beauty, and I'm not about to sleep on my back to please my lashes. No, sorry, I'm a wild sleeper, okay? Don't judge me. But it's okay, because now that you don't know this technique, you can refill anytime you're free and you got the time. You could just refill them, honey, and you're gonna be set and looking like a baddie in like, it only takes me like up 10 minutes to do this. So first and foremost, you're gonna need lashes. I use your Lord lashes. Before I was using Kiss. I like both of them. They're both great. I mean, the only difference, one is curlier. I don't know if you can tell, but the Your Lord has more of a curl to it. I think they call it like a C curl. And then the Kiss ones, what I like about Kiss more is that they're fluffier. Yeah. But they're both great lash brand. Whatever lash you want to use is still going to work. It just has to be fanned, and I use the not free ones. So just heads up, that's first and foremost. Definitely before you start, you're going to want to brush. If you have any on already, you're going to want to brush all the old lashes off. If this is your first set, all you got to do is this. You only need this after you put this set on, and you'll need to brush it out. But yes, you'll definitely need one of these. I don't even know what these are called, but this thing. You'll also definitely need a tweezer. I got mine from Elf. It has some little eyelash glue stuck on it. I really don't know how to get it off, but it's clean. I mean, I'll use alcohol and wipe it down. And that's that. You'll need a tweezer. This is the only glue that I've been using since I've been doing this. If you know a glue that works for you, that's fine, but for me, this is what works, and this is what I use. Duo Dark Individual Lash Adhesive. You're gonna need a fan. I got this from Dave & Buster's, but any fan could work, wherever you want to get it from. I'm sure Amazon has plenty. That's up to you, okay? I don't care. I'm not clocking you. Just get a fan. And then, last but not least, if you're ever ready to take this off, it does the job. Okay, I put this on, let it sit for a little bit, and the lashes just come right off. And this is just if you're ready to take it off, okay? Actually, last but not least, one more thing. You're gonna need a mirror, of course. I prefer this type of mirror. It has one regular side and then one zoomed in side. I think it's perfect for lashes because you're not gonna have to have the thing this close to your eye to see. It's zoomed in so you can see from like a further distance what you're doing. I leave this on the table and I can see what I'm doing. I have contacts in right now, but for those of you who are like me, blind, and if you don't got your contacts in, this mirror will do justice, okay? You'll need a tray also to put your lash glue in. Improvise. If you need to use a plate, whatever you gotta do, use it, okay? You just need something to put the lash glue in, okay? And that's on period. That's all you need. So let's get started, okay? Okay, love, so you're gonna want to take your lash glue and put a little drop inside of your lash tray or whatever you're using to put your lash glue in. For me, a little bit goes a long way, child. And you want to do a little bit because this glue dries really fast, so you want to not waste a lot. If you need to add more glue, at least you know you're not wasting it because you didn't use too much. Then you're going to want to take one of the lashes, and I apply the glue to the top part of that lash, not the bottom, the top, because the top is what's touching my lash. So when I'm applying it to my eye and I lift my eye, the glue is on the top part of the lash and it's going to attach to my actual lash. So I'm applying each lash to my individual lashes, and if I need to make it fuller, I'm just applying it to those gaps. So I usually go for the natural look, but maybe if you want to go more dramatic, that's up to you. You just add more lashes wherever you see a space that you can. And I also apply the longer lens to the outer part of my eye and then the shorter lens to the inner part of my eye. That's just my personal preference. If you want to go long throughout the whole eye, if you want dramatic, it's totally up to you. It's gonna work the same way. Just make sure you use that technique, putting that lash on the top, lifting your eye, and applying it to each lash, and you should be good. It should be pretty secure for you. And if it falls out, you just, when you're refilling, you're just literally adding it to those lashes that are empty. And I'm just going to be continuing this process until my eye is to my desired look. So just keep watching, guys. Okay, so I'm done with one eye. As you can see in the video, I'm trying to use the tweezers and the brush to move them around while they're still slightly wet to where I want them to be. I'm pretty satisfied with the way it looks. This is my preference. If you want it thicker, keep going, but I'm good here because, I mean, I like them fluttery.
What the f does that mean?
For some reason, this end part right here is really thick, but it's like wanting to be thick on whatever side it wants to be on. And I'm not gonna keep adding because it really doesn't. Like, if you look really close, it's really like I went as close as possible with them, rather than, as you can see in the front, I went lighter, and you see they're slightly spaced out. The lashes go where they want to go, but I'm not going to keep brushing it too much right now because it can fall out. So now is when I'm going to take my fan and just put it towards my eye so it can dry out a little bit. And then I'm going to do this side, and I'll meet you guys at the end result. Bye! Alright, y'all, so I'm done. I barely had to do anything to this side. Like, it was already full, and they're all like clustery, like all fluttery and stuff.
What the f is he talking about?
Stuff all over the place, so I didn't want to mess it up too much. I just put a little where it looked gappy and left it. I even had to add some more to this side to match up with this side, because this side was looking a little bit, you know, like I need some more love, sis. So it's the finished result, and I mean, that's it. I hope this helped you out. I hope you try it. If you try it, please, please, please DM me a picture on any of my socials of it, because I really want to see it, and I would love to post it. And I would feel so honored that you learned something from me. But anyways, it's on to the next. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys, and stay tuned for more.